start with the chapter alcohol, phenols and ethers. So it is what we are to study in this chapter, right? This is a little bit lengthy chapter, belongs to the organic chemistry. What we are to study, first part is introduction, then classification, nomenclature, reactions means in the preparations of alcohols, phenols, and then reactions of alcohol phenols, and there are certain physical properties of alcohol and phenols, right? And then the second part is your ether, right? So in this chapter, in the given टेक्स्ट बुक, अल्कोहल फिनॉल्स जो है वो कंबाइन दिया हुआ है और ईथर जो है उसको फिर बाद में सेपरेटली दिया हुआ है. सो विल स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट है. देखो, what is actually alcohol? Alcohol contain OH as a functional group, right? So it contain OH, that is hydroxyl group, as a functional group. So any compound, any molecule that is an organic molecule, if it is contain OH group, which is nothing but hydroxyl group, so that particular compound is nothing but your alcohol, right? Now, depending upon the attachment of OH group to the different compound, means suppose OH group is attached to the aliphatic chain. What is the meaning of aliphatic chain? That is a carbon chain, that may be straight chain, branch chain, single bonded carbon chain. Let take an example. अगर OH group ना एक aliphatic chain से attach है, so I will take an example. मैं यहीं पे लिख रहा हूँ. It is visible to all also. CH3 CH2 OH. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है ये CH3 CH2OH. So here the OH group is attached to the carbon atom, and this particular chain, that will be your aliphatic chain. So this is generally called as an aliphatic alcohol, right? While if the OH groups are attached to the aromatic ring, let's say example benzene. यहाँ पे देखिए, ये जो OH group है that is directly bonded to the aromatic ring, right? Here also OH group is attached to the aromatic ring, right? So these particular compounds are called as the aromatic alcohols. Okay, if the OH group is attached to the aromatic ring, that particular is nothing but the phenol. So this is an example of phenol. ये आपका Pacific phenol है, right? This one is an phenol. While ये जो है that is your beta naphthol. It is a derivative of phenol. Now they are particular compounds belong to the phenol, or we can say that aromatic hydroxyl compound or aromatic alcohols also. While in this particular exam, ये जो example दिया हुआ है, here the OH group is bonded to this carbon atom, right? ये देखो, ये आपका जो है ये है first carbon atom. यहाँ पे OH group attach है. This OH group is not attached to the aromatic, directly to the aromatic nucleus. Aromatic nucleus को directly attach नहीं है, but this whole compound, it contain the aromatic ring also, right? So that particular belongs to aromatic alcohol or aromatic hydroxyl compound. But here the OH group is attached to the carbon atom, which is adjacent to the aromatic ring, right? So in this way we can say that what is actually alcohol. If alcohols are nothing but the compound which contain OH as a functional group in their molecule, right? तो उसमें एलिफेटिक अल्कोहल भी हो सकते हैं और एरोमेटिक अल्कोहल भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल इंट्रोडक्शन गिवन. Now we'll move to the next, that is classification, right? Classifications of alcohol. Now, depending, there are two ways to classify the alcohol, right? जो first method है that depends upon the number of OH group present in the molecule. मतलब ये जो पहला है 11.2.1 जो दिया है, that depends, that classification it is based on the number of OH group present in the molecule. Just by checking the number of OH group in the molecule, you can classify alcohols as monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol and polyhydric alcohol, right? Similar to the alkyl halide, same that we studied in the alkyl halide also. तो वही यहाँ पे भी है, सिर्फ only difference is that there is a functional group that is OH. Easy. So now what is monohydric alcohol? So the alcohol which contain only one OH group, that is called monohydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol, alcohol which contain two OH group, that is called dihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol, alcohol which contain three OH group, that is called trihydric alcohol. So depending upon the number of OH group present in the molecule, these alcohols are classified into different types, that is monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric. So what is polyhydric? So here in the polyhydric alcohol, it contain more than three OH group, मतलब तीन से ज्यादा OH ग्रुप अगर आता है तो उसको सिंपली हम लोग कहते हैं पॉलीहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल, राइट। नाउ दीज आर द एग्जांपल, ये जो पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल्स है ये आपका एलिफैटिक अल्कोहल से रिलेटेड है, बिकॉज OH ग्रुप इज अटैच्ड टू द स्ट्रेट चेन कार्बन चेन, राइट। Now that is this is your straight chain carbon chain, means it belongs to the corresponding aliphatic compound, while here ये जो examples है यहाँ पे देखो, now it is an example of an phenol. So what is phenol? So phenol is the compound where OH group is directly bonded to the aromatic nucleus, right? Now here this particular compound contain only one OH group, so therefore it is also called as a monohydric alcohols or monohydric phenol, राइट। बट ये जो पर्टिकुलर कंपाउंड है ना, ये ध्यान देना, इसको कहा जाता है मोनोहाइड्रिक फिनॉल। ऊपर वाला जो है वो अल्कोहल है, ये वाला जो है वो मोनोहाइड्रिक फिनॉल्स है। ये बन जाएगा आपका डाइहाइड्रिक फिनॉल्स और ये बन जाएगा आपका ट्राइहाइड्रिक फिनॉल्स, लाइक दैट। तो अगेन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नंबर ऑफ OH ग्रुप इट इज क्लासिफाइड इनटू डिफरेंट टाइप्स। सो पॉलीहाइड्रिक फिनॉल क्या होगा? अगर एक OH फिनॉल है उसके अंदर अगर आपके पास 4, 5 या 6 रहेंगे OH group, so that will become the polyhydric phenol, like that. So this is what the classification of alcohol, base, alcohol as well as phenol, right, based on the number of OH group present in the molecule. Easy. So any doubt in till that? मतलब ये simple part है, इतना कोई इसमें डिफिकल्ट लेवल नहीं है, सिर्फ देख के आपको पता करना है कि कौन सा ये अल्कोहल मोनोहाइड्रिक है, डाइहाइड्रिक है या पॉलीहाइड्रिक है, लाइक दैट। सो इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल, आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल। सो विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, थोड़ा नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे चलते हैं हम लोग। नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज व्हाट? क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल। अभी आपको क्या करना है? मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल का क्लासिफिकेशन करना है, राइट। नाउ वी नो दैट व्हाट इज मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल। Monohydric alcohol contain only one OH group, is right? Yes or no? So here this particular compound, whatever classification that we are going to study in monohydric alcohol, these all compound will contain only one, सिर्फ क्या रहेगा इसके अंदर? एक ही OH group होगा, right? So it will contain only one OH group, like that. So सब कंपाउंड जो रहेगा इसके अंदर एक ही OH group रहेगा, right? Now how this classification take place? Now depending upon the attachment of OH group to the type of hybridized carbon atom, I repeat it, okay? Monohydric alcohol का classification कैसे होगा, right? Depending upon the attachment of OH group to the type of hybridized carbon atom, they are classified into two types. First is alcohol containing sp3COH bond. I repeat it, alcohol containing sp3COH bond, right? और second जो है alcohol containing sp2COH bond, right? Now what is A? A जो है alcohol containing sp3COH bond. What happened in this case? Here the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. I repeat it, alcohol containing sp3COH bond. In this particular case, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? जितने भी मॉलिक्यूल्स रहेंगे, मतलब जितने भी कंपाउंड्स रहेंगे ये पार्ट में A में, इन दैट केस जो OH ग्रुप होगा वो OH ग्रुप sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज कार्बन एटम को अटैच रहेगा, ठीक है। और इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस देयर विल बी ओनली वन OH ग्रुप। व्हाई वन OH ग्रुप? बिकॉज वी आर स्टडीइंग मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल। हम लोग मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल का क्लासिफिकेशन पढ़ रहे हैं, राइट? तो मोनोहाइड्रिक में तो एक ही OH ग्रुप रहेगा, ओके। सिमिलरली बी पार्ट जो है, सो इन बी पार्ट alcohol containing sp2COH bond, here the OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, ठीक है। OH कहाँ पे अटैच रहेगा? sp2 hybridized कार्बन एटम पे अटैच रहेगा, लाइक दैट। सो अगेन इसका जो थर्ड बी का जो है क्लासिफिकेशन वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय एन एग्जांपल, right? So first we'll study the classification of this B part, alcohol containing sp2COH bond. So according to the example, just go with the example. What is the example? CH2 double bond CHOH. ये example दिया, right? Now if you check the attachment of OH group, this is the OH group, hydroxyl group, and it is attached to this carbon atom. Already I mark a dot, red dot is given. ये वाला carbon atom, right? So here the red dot, what is the characteristics of that carbon atom? It is sp2 carbon atom. Yes. Why sp2 carbon atom? Because it is a double bonded carbon atom. So we should know all double bonded carbon atom that undergoes sp2 hybridization, right? सिंगल बॉन्डेड कार्बन एटम रहेंगे तो वो किस में जाते हैं? sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन में जाता है, और ट्रिपल बॉन्डेड रहेगा तो sp हाइब्रिडाइजेशन में जाएगा, ठीक है, right? So in this particular, this carbon atom is nothing but the double bonded carbon atom where OH group is attached. So that particular example, the name of the compound is vinyl alcohol, CH2 double bond CH group. This particular group is called as a vinyl group. इसको vinyl group कहा जाता है, right? अगर इसका आप IUPAC नेम करना चाहते हो तो वो बनेगा इथीनॉल, बिकॉज ये दो कार्बन एटम वाला अल्कीन है, तो दैट अल्कीन बिकम इथीन। इथीन का ई रिप्लेस करोगे ऑल से, सो बनेगा वो इथीनॉल। इजी। So this is what alcohol containing sp2COH bond. So that particular the example, or that there is only one classification, that is vinylic alcohol. So इसमें एक ही आता है, उसको कहा जाता है vinylic alcohol. So we have taken the example, from the example we understood how the alcohol containing sp2COH bonds are there, right? Now coming to the point A पे वापस से आ जाते हैं हम लोग। In this alcohol containing sp3COH bond, in this particular example, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and there will be only one OH group that we know. Now they are further classified into three types: alkyl alcohol, allylic alcohol and benzylic alcohol. इसका जो क्लासिफिकेशन है सेपरेटली आगे वाले स्लाइड में दिया हुआ है. So we'll move to the next part, that is alkyl alcohol.